Hello and welcome back to some more Google tips. This time I'm going to give you some tips on moving your Word docs into your Google Drive. And some tips and some how-tos. So this can definitely be done, and it kind of depends on what your purpose is for using your Word doc. If you need to make changes on your Word doc, before you print it, you're going to want to do that in Word, because Word and Drive, Google Docs, have different fonts. You're not going to be able to transfer your fonts directly from Word into Google Docs. There's ways to make it a PDF form, and then that locks in whatever you did in your Word, and then you can keep your font that way, but then you're not making changes. So if you just want to have it in your Drive and print, this is what you're going to do. You go into your Drive and you click on the New button that's there, and you want to be in the folder that you want to store your doc in. You can always move it, but I always think it's easier if you go to the folder you want to have the doc in and click the New button from there. So once you click on the New button, you're going to get a drop down, and you're going to see that the option for File Upload. So right here, you want to go to File Upload, click on it, and then as soon as you do that, you're going to end up in your hard drive and your files. And so you're just going to find the document that you want to upload, and you're going to double click on it, and that will put it into your Drive. You're going to get this little button down here that says one upload completed, depending on how many uploads you do. So if I give the example on mine, I can go into, let's see if I can change that. Let me move. Oh, let's see. Okay, so I'm in my Drive right now, and I can click on New, on File Upload. This is my hard drive with my regular computer. Now I don't have a lot of things in Word because I don't use Word, but this looks like it's close. So this is an example. I double click on it, and then it's going to go into my Drive. So there's my 2 loads complete. So my upload. So now if I click on it, it's going to give you like this black screen open with, move my little, it gives you this black screen, and this is where you have some choices. You can print directly from here. You come over here to these little icons over there, and you click on the print icon. If you that's going to be your best option. You can try to open it with Google Docs, but for the most part your fonts are going to change. So this works great if all you want to do is put it into your Drive and print it. So I hope that works out for you. Little tip.